Kung gusto mong makakuha ng mas magandang trabaho, kailangan marunong kang gumamit ng Microsoft Excel. At kung gusto mong matuto ng Microsoft Excel, simulan mo sa pinaka-basic, basic formula, basic functions. And for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-create ng basic formula at paano gamitin ang basic functions sa Microsoft Excel. So first example, paano mo kukunin yung sum or total ng dalawang numbers na to? Napakadali lang yan. Ganito gawin mo. Equal sign, click mo yung first number which is D3, and for addition gagamit tayo ng plus sign. So D3 plus, click mo yung second number which is D4, enter mo 13,494. Napakadali, napaka-basic. Ganon din for subtraction. Edit natin yung formula na to. And for subtraction, gagamit tayo ng dash or minus sign. So D3 minus D4, enter mo. Ganun lang yun, 4,498. And for multiplication, gagamit tayo ng asterisk. So D3 times D4 equals din yan, napakahabang numbers. And for division, gagamit tayo ng slash. So D3 divided by D4 equals 2. Napakadali, napaka-basic. Ewan ko na lang kung di mo magets yan. Actually, pwede ka rin maglagay ng mas maraming numbers. Hindi kaya mas maraming range. Ganito lang yan. Gayahin mo ko. Equal sign. Click mo yung first number, plus. Second number, plus. Third number, plus. Fourth number, plus. Fifth number, enter mo. Napakadami. Yan, 32,629 total ng first 5 numbers natin. Kung masyado ka masipag, gayahin mo to. Ayan o, isa-isahin mo, mag-manual ka. Pero kung tamad ka mag-manual, maghanap ka ng ibang paraan. Gumamit ka ng basic functions ng Microsoft Excel at tuturuan kita. Chill ka lang dyan. So first, paano mo kukunin yung sum or yung total ng lahat ng numbers na to? So basic lang, gagamit tayo ngayon ng sum function. So that's equals, then type mo sum, then open parenthesis. Kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong number 1, number 2, so on and so forth. So pwede kang mag-add ng kahit thousands of numbers. So yung gagawin mo lang is highlight mo lahat ng cells, and then close parenthesis, enter. So meron na tayong sum ng lahat ng numbers na to. So lagay natin dito sum function. Alright, so next function, paano mo kunin yung average ng lahat ng numbers na to? Basic lang, equal sign, that average. So gagamit tayo ng average function at kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong number 1, number 2, so on and so forth, meaning pwede kang mag-add ng mas maraming numbers. How to do it? Just highlight the range, and then close parenthesis, enter. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong 4 numbers after the decimal point. Actually, pwede mong baguhin yan. Just go to home, and then meron tayong ditong increased decimal and then decreased decimal. So, depende sa inyo. Pwede mong bawasan or pwede mong dagdagan ng numbers after the decimal point. So, that's the average function. So, next function, paano mo bilangin lahat ng cells na merong laman o merong values? Simple lang, gagamit tayo ng count function, then open parenthesis. So, meron tayong value 1, meron din tayong value 2. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang mag-add ng mas madaming cells or numbers. So, highlight natin yung buong range. So, we have D3 hanggang D11. Pag binilang yan, close parenthesis, enter. There you go. So, meron tayong 9 cells na merong laman or merong value. So, this is the count function. Now, my question is, yung count function ba is gagana if yung i-highlight natin is non-numeric values katulad nito? Let's try. So, equals count, open parenthesis, then highlight natin to. Remember, this is not a numeric value. So, letter siya. So, we have B3 to B11, open parenthesis, and then enter. So, we got 0. That means na yung count function will not work if hindi numbers yung laman ng cells. because we have a separate function for that. So we're gonna use count a function. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron ditong counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So regardless kung numbers or letters yung laman ng values or ng cells. So open parenthesis, then value 1, value 2, meaning pwede tayong mag-highlight ng mas madaming cells. So for example, highlight natin yung range na to. So we have B3 to B11, close parenthesis, enter. So we have 9. Ibig sabihin, pag binilang mo lahat ng cells na to, so we have 9. This is now the count a function. So remember the difference between count function and count a function. Alright, so next function, remember meron tayong 9 cells, and what if gusto mong malaman kung ano yung smallest value in this range? So we have a separate function for that, equal sign, then type mo min or min, which is short for minimum. And as you can see, meron tayong returns the smallest value in a set of values. And meron tayong nakalagay dito, ignores logical values in text. Ibig sabihin, i-ignore niya lahat ng cells na hindi numbers yung laman. So, let's try. Open parenthesis, meron tayong number 1, number 2, meaning pwede tayong mag-highlight ng mas madaming numbers. So, let's try this. Highlight this range. So, we have D3 to D11, and then close parenthesis, enter. There you go. So 2,290 is the smallest number in this range. So this is the min function. So kung meron tayong minimum function, we also have maximum function. So simple lang, type mo equals then max, which is short for maximum. And kung mapapansin nyo, merong nakalagay na returns the largest value in a set of values. So kukunin niya or ipipick niya yung cell na merong largest value. And same thing, it ignores logical values and text. So kukunin niya lang yung lahat ng mga cells na merong numbers. So for example, open parenthesis, number 1, number 2. So we can highlight as many as we can. So we have 3 or D3 to D11, close parenthesis, enter. So 9,772 is the largest number in this range. So this is the max function. Alright, so we already have discussed the basic functions in Microsoft Excel, the sum, average, count, count A, minimum, and maximum functions. At kung sa palagay mo nahihirapan ka, di hanapan mo na ibang paraan. Work smart kumbaga, huwag masyadong masipag.